Communication technology plays a vital role in facilitating the exchange of information and ideas in today's interconnected world. However, several factors can influence the effectiveness and implementation of communication technologies. This lecture will explore various factors affecting communications technology, including infrastructure, accessibility, security, interoperability, and socioeconomic considerations, highlighting their impact and implications. Communication technology encompasses a wide range of tools and platforms used to transmit, receive, and exchange information electronically. Several factors can influence the adoption, implementation, and effectiveness of communication technologies, shaping their impact on individuals, organizations, and societies. Let's discuss the importance of understanding factors affecting communications technology. Effective implementation. This is about understanding these factors, which is crucial for successfully implementing communication technologies. Optimize performance. This is addressing key factors that can enhance the performance and reliability of communication systems. Maximizing benefits. By considering these factors, organizations and policymakers can maximize the benefits of communication technologies for various stakeholders. Infrastructure refers to the physical and technical components that support communication technology, including networks, servers, cables, and data centers. The availability and quality of infrastructure significantly impact the deployment and performance of communication technologies. Let's determine the characteristics of infrastructure. Bandwidth. This is the capacity of a network to transmit data, affecting the speed and reliability of communication. Coverage. This is the extent of network coverage in different geographic areas, influencing accessibility to communication services. Reliability. This is about the stability and uptime of communication networks, ensuring uninterrupted connectivity. Let's discuss the impact on communication technology. Inadequate infrastructure in rural or remote areas can limit access to communication services. Congested networks or insufficient bandwidth may lead to slow connections and dropped calls. Disparities in infrastructure contribute to the digital divide, widening inequalities in access to communication technology. Accessibility refers to the extent to which communication technology is available and usable by individuals, regardless of their location, abilities, or socioeconomic status. Ensuring accessibility is essential for promoting inclusivity and equal participation in the digital age. Characteristics of accessibility are: the cost of communication devices and services relative to individuals' income levels. The design of communication technology interfaces to accommodate users with disabilities or limited technological literacy. Adaptation of communication technologies to different languages and cultural contexts to enhance usability. Impact on communication technology include: improving accessibility promotes digital inclusion, allowing marginalized groups to participate in the digital economy. User-friendly interfaces and accessible design features enhance the usability and adoption of communication technologies. Governments and organizations may implement policies and initiatives to address accessibility barriers and promote inclusive access to communication technology. Security and privacy concerns are critical considerations in communication technology, particularly in the digital age where data breaches and cyber attacks are prevalent. Ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of communication data is essential for building trust and safeguarding user information. Let's discuss the characteristics of security and privacy. The use of encryption algorithms to protect data from unauthorized access or interception. Verification mechanisms to ensure that only authorized users can access communication systems or services. Policies and measures to safeguard personal data and mitigate privacy risks. Impact on communication technology include: robust security measures foster trust and confidence among users, encouraging adoption and usage of communication technologies. Compliance with data protection regulations and privacy laws is essential to avoid legal penalties and maintain reputation. Vulnerabilities in communication technology can expose users to cyber threats such as malware, phishing, and identity theft. Interoperability refers to the ability of different communication technologies and systems to exchange and interpret data seamlessly. Ensuring interoperability enables compatibility and integration between diverse platforms, devices, and networks. Let's briefly discuss the characteristics of interoperability. Adherence to industry standards and protocols to facilitate interoperability between different systems. Common data exchange formats and protocols enable seamless communication between disparate systems. Application programming interfaces APIs and integration frameworks allow different systems to communicate and share data. Impact on communication technology includes interoperability allows organizations to integrate communication technologies with existing systems and workflows, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Compatibility issues and proprietary standards may lead to vendor lock-in, limiting flexibility and innovation. Interoperable systems enable seamless collaboration and connectivity across departments, organizations, and ecosystems. Socioeconomic factors such as income levels, education, and cultural norms can influence the adoption, usage, and impact of communication technology within communities and societies. Understanding these factors is essential for designing inclusive and equitable communication strategies. Characteristics of socioeconomic considerations include the level of technological skills and knowledge among individuals, affecting their ability to use communication technology effectively. Economic inequalities may limit access to communication technology and digital services among marginalized populations. Cultural attitudes and preferences towards communication technology, influencing adoption and usage patterns. Let's identify the impact on communication technology. Addressing socio-economic barriers promotes inclusive access to communication technology, bridging digital divides and empowering underserved communities. Investing in digital literacy programs and awareness campaigns enhances the adoption and usage of communication technology among diverse populations. Communication technology can empower individuals and communities to voice their concerns, mobilize for social change, and access essential services. Factors affecting communication technology encompass a wide range of technical, social, and economic considerations that influence the adoption, implementation, and impact of communication systems and services. By understanding and addressing these factors, organizations, policymakers, and technology providers can design and deploy communication technologies that are accessible, secure, interoperable, and socially inclusive. Building resilient communication infrastructure and promoting equitable access to communication technology are essential steps towards harnessing its transformative potential for individuals, organizations, and societies alike.